I want to do a video comparing Ram's 6.7 liter Cummins to GM's 6.6 liter Duramax i6 V8. Standard output, only output. Now on this side, you do have 370 horsepower, and it's also going to have 850 pound-feet of torque. That's big numbers. On this side, you're gonna have 445 horsepower, 910 pound-feet of torque. Which one's gonna sound better though? Let's find out. That was pretty interesting. In the comment section, which one sounded better to you? All I'm gonna say, I don't want to sound biased, although I can't be biased anymore, right? That Cummins sounded pretty darn good. And the RPMs are a little bit more responsive in this one versus my GMC. I don't know if that V8 configuration just has a little bit more hesitation. Like I feel like I had to hold it a lot longer. Like I was just doing like quick burst on the Cummins and it was just quickly revving. All Ram has to do is find a way to get a 10-speed transmission, 8-speed transmission, 9-speed transmission, something different behind this Cummins. I think that this would be a clear winner. But I hope the video was helpful. Be sure to check out Larry H. Miller. This mega cab will not last long. This truck was built perfectly. I will be putting a video at the end of this one for the review that I did on this. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys soon.